Thank everybody. Thank you all very much for your cooperation so far, for the way you handle matters, especially the short quarrel that happened in our online discussions. I saw everything, but I didn't make any comment. But the way everything was normalized, I was happy. That shows a sign of respect. What I'm going to say that any discussing anything, when we are discussing anything, whether in print, in meeting, present or online, please let us be very careful with the language we use, because whatever goes out from the mouth can't come back again. And I don't want us in this meeting to have one another in our mind. We didn't call it association, we call it Ika family. When you say family, meaning we are one. We are not supposed to have grudges against ourselves, no matter what. But the way the vice president handled the matter and everybody come to normalcy, I thank you all very much for that. Bravo. Then another thing is that we are now in the month of March. Very soon our anniversary will come. Last year we did not prepare on time. That took us a little bit backwards. And we did not prepare for our end of year party. We were saying we want this, we are waiting for this. This time around, we don't need to wait for anything. Why? One, maybe suppose we are waiting for our registration. Our registration is no longer negotiable. Anytime you go to prefecture, you tap the name is here. I was in prefecture on Friday to go and find out why we have not received our publication. I was just told do this, do this, which I once they see me now, even they even know me physically. They are Ika. I say yes, Ika. They print it out. The name is here. So let's go on and do what we want to do. Now we are in March and our next listener is July. I want us on this floor today. Let's throw a debate down. Let's see how we are going to plan for our 1 year, our second year anniversary. That is going to be our debate today. Because if you are not for me, you are against me. And we can't be against each other here. So we all have to be for one another. So we are going to open that debate and see how we are going to progress, how we are going. We start it now. To show this love of oneness, I want to see who really have a car family in mind. Next meeting, everybody is going to wear that our 1 year t-shirt to our next meeting. I want to see who have thrown off their own. I want to see. So now I want to know who really have in that community in their mind. In our next meeting, you can put on your barbiga or your boba, but buy our t-shirt, put it on, and come to our next meeting. So that is the discussion for today.
Everybody knows how the open man. You don't throw your own.
That is enough. That will show the love we have for ourselves in this meeting. That is it.
Really, just to support our chairman, the Mr. Chair, like what is it called? Our second year anniversary. You know, it's a mistake from me. I'm supposed to pass a message to you before now. So the second year anniversary, due to the fact that we have grouped the hosting, so we don't have much to plan because there are people there already. The only thing we do, anything you like when you are coming because of the second year, because we are looking forward to our launching.
No, if that is the case, let me cut you short. The people that will vote us for July will push it forward. That is it. We push it forward. Yeah, we push it forward. Okay, we don't have to put our burden to the people that is going to host us. So July, nobody is going to host us. It's an anniversary. We're going to make it like that.
Okay, that we should continue to support.
How we contribute?
Launching, and our launching, we have to do a launching that every member will contribute big, and we are doing it big. If possible, we are bringing a musician from Nigeria. We are not doing anything small. Yeah, we are not doing anything small. And when we are doing this, I'm telling you, when the time for the visa come, anyhow we will get the visa for that person, and we will do it. But it's not this year, it's not next year. We have to plan it very well. That is why I'm suggesting, no, I'm not concluding. Everybody should take note to chairman is here, chairman will conclude. So left for me, he said we should debate. That's why we are just debating. Left for me, I should have said The people that are hosting, everybody, for example, now, if I'm coming, I can bring one beer. Because we are not inviting again, unless we say let's carry her or let's invite. But if you are not even, for me, I can bring, for example, one carton of beer from my mind. Anything that suits you to support those people. Because our anniversary, everybody will prepare. It might be 200, maybe. We are going to do it big. The France will know that a car family have arrived. We are doing it. Personally, me, I know they like do something small. They like do them. I know say do them. And we go do them. So we are not in competition with
If we want to do launching, our launching should be December and end of year party. We do it together. Our anniversary is going to be different. Every year we will be celebrating our anniversary. Let the launching be planned for December. You can open a debate on this matter now. We are all here. Nobody is complaining.
Okay, yes, let's see.
Yeah,
Well,
nobody is
well,
complaining.
For Mawa, ndị kim host in July go, Mr. Edere Jasper, Mr. Onyeka Ogboni, Mrs. Mercy Francis, Mrs. Nwachukwu Vivian. So yeah, 4 of them. So for my own point, what I'm suggesting is, work for the host by July. They should carry on with our normal 12-month calendar hosting and shift ticket. Then in the full house, we will now plan it on our own. Either can the men in the planning, can the Buemaya, the kind of meme yuri, yeah, can the meme before. Yeah, because I see one individual only on it. I am at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, I think we will see move again to a Cindy Poeni. This time, I'm gonna look at our cheerleader and our vice is election you were home. You should put it on everyone. When you're marrying you, they were here. Then anyone did here, and say, okay, you want a carton of Henneken, you want a carton of Guinness, you want a carton of this. But in the case, host it that month because of the 12 calendar month I program. I move from there. So the men will do their own part, the women will do their own part. Then in the case, host it that day, they should do their own part again. Let me come in. For my own view, President Namaku indicated that day they should shift it. Because it's not something I care home family within our family children. Since through that time somehow, you know, I remember I met before, but I like it. Like we remember something like that or something. I remember can hold it the whole side, indicate also the whole side, and make it within us. And let's not use maybe the remember anything is between us. Oh my own.
Your support will shift.
Yes.
That is the people.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Everybody.
Go shift them.
No problem.
Would
they
up? Chairman in line.
Okay. Yes. Any other person again?
Ndị kpokolo
Women in the house.
It's a debate.
It's a debate. I know you.
It's a debate.
I am in support with chairman to shift and celebrate among ourselves.
Thank you.
Rally.
Thank you. So, almost like a cocoa, but no one need market time. Here, we here by movie now because those people they will not like to come to park. Look at when you can like managers with Sabia where what it be name Okija. Like it because see kina regular Libya muliwe and even was supposed to that even winter because the more low. So what no what I mean one is supposed to amending more law supposedly winter like a new day and summer. If that be the case and I like oneness, we shift it. My own opinion, yeah. No, we go plan, we go rearrange. Now only work it go take us. So the rearranging, and they get personally they can support to that. We will not get stressed here, just as our treasurer says. The stress is connecting well, and in the they plan their own way. In the everybody make the woman share. Woman, you bring 2 cup of rice, you bring 1 cup. Let them share them because we can keep both take a tomorrow last time. We're not requesting help from the men. Now the women will just take Kennedy and we will talk to them. Work you plan you plan because they only but let them cook. Everybody should bring a cooler. They are all mothers. Then we the men.
You also just in the depot.
No, because I think we're going to later.
Yes,
that one was so cool.
Take care of drinks. So you see an avenue, everybody pay him one way. You understand? Because everybody pay him one way, it will still be like
Yes, sir.
I think Chairman, you just summarize it with me. You want to talk?
Yeah, because Chairman is concerning for the end of the year party for so it's supposed to be the end of the year party for July.
Yes.
Let's
start planning. We have to plan because it has to that foundation. We need to get the foundation. It's a project. We have to get the project. But last year, nothing was formalized in the right way. At the time minute in June, we are not saying let's do our liberty, which was wrong. Now we have to plan ahead. If we plan ahead, everything will be successful. When we say we want to do launching by December and make anything we want to do, we now start looking how much is it all, how much did it take us? Are we inviting people? How much is it? It's now. If we don't do it now, December will come and go again. You understand? We don't have to look at our this thing. Look at it. It's not the day a child was born. It's not and you understand everything is process. You start it now. You start it now.
I think Chairman, with your permission, I
you don't conclude. Let's ask the house. What do they say? This is a debate. Do you want us to do our end? No, listen. Don't talk for them. Do you want us to do our end of year party December 2025? Go ahead now. We have talked about our second year anniversary. That one is sealed. Let's talk about our launching and our end of year party. The two is going to be together. Do you want us to do it? Yes or no?
Let me come in.
Okay, go ahead.
For that December aspect, for me, I will not support that one because I would expect more for us to launch our launching. Then I will take let's wait a bit. Then the time the channel launch that something they will work towards it. But for this summertime, that one is sure. Came out.
Just but since actually made this our this thing for July, our 2 years anniversary July. So nearly the time factor is very small or too short. You understand? That July to December are very short. So who for one. Either we leave the July old and face that plan that December big because that December old definitely we're going to take off. And the way the vice chairman equal, at least we have to make sure we're a musician and we have to make it very big. So make a deliberate role. So either we leave one to do or remember that our 2 years anniversary for July and be here for that December, that our end of year this year. So I make a one year rally.
Frank. Pamela Choloku. Hey, ladies, you have to look people that raise up their hand.
It's early. Yes, I should come now conclude because the was that on last work I can't indicate July. Mbend you want query, you were really for that July.
Meeting or no? With good reason now.
Okay, change you are.
They don't have a forward now.
No go take permission for us.
So always
Let one person talk now.
Okay, see here ke kuzo emeni eya se come the two at once because I suppose organizing when you home launching any new maker many can launching and many launching and many end of the year party you put in all your efforts your money or 20 you need a good contribution good preparation you need probably a full year to plan and get yourself organized tasking ourselves I mean when you check separately or easier than when you work at once we can start so okay we want to do it next year. I mean every 2 months, so many can have 5 euro, many can have 10 euro. Yeah, to my every many work in Kevin, and you have calculate to kill our budget. Many budget to 5,000 euro. Mado lady meeting. What can go wrong individually? Maybe in the Gikeni, where second or men where second more than the ladies second or less. Yeah, was in your people concerning the ladies. Our ladies financially maybe you care, but I am cooperating. So these are cooperation in the these are the things I can lay ahead and Guinea launching. So get together end of year anniversary July, accepted all done, but launching a buzeshi the upper year to help ourselves organize.
Thank you.
Okay.
Take a lot of when July back. Ndị kpoke shi ori ndị ka nwa maya. Ikpe enye wa kwetu ewu.
Yeah, you get to go. Onye nye ya buhe. So onye planning no BMT, no problem. Thank you. All can come on. Yes.
Okay, where the meeting for now?
Let me say something. Vice President, is not a solution.
No.
But you understand the solution. Wait, I don't want to start again. I understand your point to control people. That is why you people have to
be disciplined,
organized.
organized.
The problem and the solution what will for me. I when launching, you understand? It can start from the chairlady. Chairlady is okay. Make a boo of a goosey. What is make a boo? I just say, then women made it on your own planning as a woman, not planning keep it. I know.
No, organizing like
Last year was our first year.
Yes.
And already so close. Yeah. But this year, kind of don't attack. July. We cooperate because you see who the everybody should we donate the money. Yeah, we do it together.
Nani kaya kama kapwa tabede.
Choisir le roi. TVM. No.
Just a few points, just to make concerning for our women. You understand? I understand that man of me our vice chilling. I understand. You know, say any woman being